So now the requirement, 76 runs of 6 overs. That's just over 12 runs and over. Afridi. And Russo. Is that taken? It is. Good catch. Afridi starts off with a wicket. Not the greatest of deliveries, but doesn't matter. He's got a wicket.
Well, silence in Maratha Arabian camp, but this is a big wicket. I'm telling you, in the contest of the match, Afridi has brought the game back on the side of his team. Pakhtuns slightly short, but skidding on. Russo didn't have the time to play it more square. Didn't have the time, just could only manage to hit it straight down the throat of long.
We got Hills, 30 of 12. Shahid Afridi. He's got a wicket of the first ball. Now the requirement is 76 of 35 balls. That's a huge mountain to climb. Well, Pakhtuns made 121 for 4. Right, we're ready. Second ball of the over. Oh, that's close. It's gone. Gone off the first ball. Afridi on a hat-trick. What a magnificent delivery. Hurried on, and Bravo in serious trouble.
Well, how many matches these two have played against each other, and still Afridi getting win on a sucker punch. When Bravo, cardinal mistake, going back to Afridi, trying to play for a single, and Afridi knew exactly what to do against Ben Bravo. Goes for a golden duck, and Maratha Arabians are 46 for 4 now.
Well, look who's here. Virendar Sehwag. He's come out to face the hat-trick ball. He's got to slip in. Shahid Afridi, he's on fire. So Sehwag has been out of cricket for a while, but look at his record when he was playing. Look at that strike rate, the best of 122. He's on a hat-trick. He's on strike. Afridi! Will that be out? Will that be out? In fact it is. Virendar Sehwag is the hat-trick victim. Shahid Afridi. He's just created history, the first ever to get a hat-trick in T10 cricket.
Can you imagine if somebody would have told you that on the first day of T20 League, we'll see a hat-trick, and that too by Shahid Afridi. Look at that. Just that slider, quickish, no turn on it. Sehwag just tentative, not too far forward. It would have crashed into the next stump. So good decision by the umpire, and Afridi makes history. What a night for the Pakhtun fans. This match virtually in the bag for the Pakhtuns now. Maratha Arabians struggling at 46 for 5. Sehwag.
He's got 3 out of 3, and he's got 3 left. Let's see what he does here. Oh, played it very late. And they're coming back for 2. Good running. Imad Wasim just waiting for the ball to come on to him. But let's take a look at that last dismissal. This is Virendra Sehwag and the hat-trick victim. Well, flipping the leg.